Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second video part of our new smartwatch here, the MD3 Max smartwatch. Okay, last time we checked on its specifications, including the weight and the size, okay, as well as other features available here. Okay, just a preview of its functions, and this time we are going in depth with this smartwatch. We are going to check its menus and the different functions available in this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the unboxing and checking of its menus and features, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here the wearable. Okay, as you can see here, we have a bubble type menu. Okay, seems like we do have a lot of apps here. Okay, this is a return button here. Okay, so let's check. Going back, so we have here a watch face. Okay, let's see if this thing works with a watch face. So you can cycle to the different watch faces preloaded in the smartwatch with a ground button here. Okay, this one is retro, I like it. Okay, so we have a lot of watch faces here. Okay, then swiping from up to down, let's see, we do have the shortcut to settings as well as the other important functions here. Okay, we do have the Alipay, the brightness here. Okay, let's adjust the brightness. Okay, screen time out 5 seconds. We do have, let's check it to 60. Okay, we have the Bluetooth functionality here. This one, what's this? Okay, it's a menu, so baby's breath for that bubble type. Okay, we have the list slide. Let's see if this thing works. No. Okay, so it works also. We have the block list and we rotate the list. Let's go for the list side so we can see the name of the application or the functionality. Okay, so on the left side we do have the app link address, the QR code for the app. What else? That's it. On the right side we do have the Alipay. Okay, and of course you can add widgets here or widgets. And on the bottom part, let's see, so we have the notification function. Where's the main menu? Let's see. Okay, so this is the list here. Okay, it's different than I expected. Again, let's check. Okay, that is the block list. Go for the this one. Okay, we have this list slide. Okay, check. So that's it. This is what I'm trying to select. Okay, seems like the transition of the menus here is not smooth. Okay, anyway, so let's check. Let's start. So we do have a heart rate, blood pressure here, and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so you still have to activate it. Let's see if it's okay. Let's see if it's checking our heart rate here. Okay, so it shows the results right away. It's fast. I don't know if this is random. We're going to have a video for this. Okay, checking on the health functions of the smartwatch, comparing with a medical grade device. Okay, so we have 70 beats per minute. Going back for the blood pressure, let's see. Okay, we do hope that we can get the results right away. Okay, we have 122/76. Okay, still monitoring, or will it stop just like the heart rate? Let's see. Okay, so 122/76. And we do have the blood oxygen here. Let's check. Okay, the heart rate is much faster, I think, compared to this one. Okay, we do have 96, 98, 97, ranging from 96 to 97, I think, 98. Let's see. Okay, we have 98%. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, again, let's check for the blood pressure here. Does it monitor? Does it check? Okay, going back. So we have a Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth music, find phones. We do have weather. We also have a drink reminder here. Okay, weather, you need to connect the Bluetooth to your smartwatch. We have stopwatch, calendar, alarm. We have the style, menu style. We have at least at link 4. We have brightness settings, QR code, reset. Do have a Siri. We have a breathing guide, screen on, sedentary alert, WhatsApp support, Facebook, Twitter. Okay, receipt for your QR code, receipt, Alipay, dial keys for the Bluetooth call. Let's check. You have contacts, call logs, you have message notifications, and we have the sports here and the automatic activity tracking. Let's see if we do have some graphs. Okay, so record no data content. For the sports, we have walking, running, ride, climbing, treadmill, record, walk. That's it. So we only have at least, how many sports do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only have 5 sports here. Oh, disappointing sports section of this smartwatch. Okay, let's check. So it monitors for the distance here, heart rate, calories, and the time. Okay, why is it that they did not include a comprehensive list of sports here? Only not 5. Okay, we have sleep monitoring, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the settings here. Let's see if there are available features here. We have the time settings, we have profiles, brightness, language, sport. We also have security for your smartwatch. We have the password here. We have the restore factor or factory, about MD3 max. Okay, profile, ring only, vibrate only, vibrate and ring. So you can set this one if you receive any notifications. Okay, or call, Bluetooth call. Okay, we have a calendar. Let's say for the water. Okay, please connect to Massware application. So you need to connect it first to the support app. Okay, on the top here, let's check. Okay, music control, Alipay. You have to bind it first, and seems like that's it. Okay, so basic functionality for the MD3 Max smartwatch. But so far, I like the design. It looks premium, but the contents here and the menus are, I think, lacking or just simple, basic. So it tracks for your steps. That's it. Okay, health, and supports Bluetooth call. Okay, anyway, if you want the basic functionalities, so this one covered it all. Okay, and of course it looks premium. it looks nice compared to other circular design smartwatches. Okay, so you can also change the watch face here. So again, for the display screen, I think it is 1.39 inch screen display. Okay, so let's check here again. So we have 1.39 inch full screen, as you can see here. Again, this is your smartwatchspecifications.com, a premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, especially on its menus and features, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.